What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Y'all can see by the thumbnail, I'm about to go ahead and mount DOLO up. Forget waiting and all that. Man, I'm gonna go ahead and mount this thing up. So when they go to the muffler shop, I come out ready. Now I still haven't got this rim rim repaired. So, you know, the tire probably go flat. I'm gonna put it on the front. I'm gonna put it on the front for now cause I can pump it up when I need to move the car and all that. So, you know, we just gonna do that. But we're gonna go ahead and get this thing all mounted up. Y'all see I got it pulled out. I throw the clip in there while I pulled it out cause I was messing with it a little bit. I recorded with my phone though. So we got it pulled out. Finna go ahead and try these things on here. Like I said, I'm gonna leave them on here. I'm gonna put all four of them on. We're gonna leave them on here, man. As long as I don't run into no issue, which I shouldn't. So I'm about to get the wheels out here, get it jacked up, and we're gonna get it mounted up. So. So I'm getting the other back rim taken off. I need to do that. Let's see. Go. Getting that one taken off. While I'm at it, might well give y'all some real talk, cause I ain't dropped one in a vlog in a minute. I think last time I dropped one, I was doing this same thing, putting wheels on, but with big meat. So, get all my stuff together first. Get everything together. Like I'm gonna have to go up some more. But, yeah, man, while I'm doing this, I want to talk about giving your all in life for real. Cause you know, you get to doing stuff, man. You get to doing stuff, and my look on it is, no matter what it is, I don't care if you're in fast food, man. I don't care if you're in fast food and you know it's a stepping stone in your life. I'm not saying you're gonna be there forever. Ain't nothing wrong with that, but I'm just saying my thing is, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. And I ain't gonna have to do it. And that's how you gotta be with life. If you gonna do something, give your all, man. I'm talking about all or nothing. Like, meaning, if you ain't gonna give your all, just don't give nothing. Don't even go at it. Cause that's what I believe. I believe in just giving everything you got when you trying to do something and trying to achieve something. Whether it's a goal of yours, a big goal, or it's a little goal. You got to go all the way in. Cause you got some people, man, they be ready to throw in the towel. You know, when it get hard, they ready to throw in the towel and be like, hey, I quit, this and that. That ain't an option. That ain't an option when you're trying to win out here. So, that's my real talk, man. You know, just pretty much giving your all, man. Giving your all, going at life, trying to grab it by the horns and all that. And just not folding. You know, I love saying that, don't fold or whatever. Cause life gonna get hard, you gonna go through stuff. But at the end of the day, you wanna be able to just be like, hey, this is a chapter in my book. I'm gonna tell this story to somebody else. That whatever you're going through, I'm gonna tell this story to somebody else. And it's gonna help them get through what they going through. You need to look at it like that. Don't look at it like you finna fold, you know, you got the world falling on you. Cause let me tell you something. Whatever you're going through, you can come out of it. I don't care how deep of a hole you feel like you in or falling in. You can come up out of it, man. I'm telling you. Even if you don't see no light right now, you can come up out of it. So you gotta look at it like that. But yep, that's my real talk. I hope that helps somebody. You know, I really do. Cause I know, shoot, we all go through stuff, man. But over here, brown coat gang, we don't do no folding. We don't do no folding, man. So I'm getting these things on here. And boy, that back, that squat game, woo, nasty. So, and then, man, look, I know y'all gonna want to see it, but I'm gonna have to get it to y'all in another video. I know y'all gonna want to see me light these bad boys up. I have to get it to y'all in another video. I can't do it right here in my driveway. Y'all see I got little black marks already, man. I gotta let them clear up, man. I can't paint no black marks in the driveway. No. Can't do that. But I figured, man, why wait, man? I might as well go and mount up. Then like I said, worst case scenario, I just I take the wheel back off, cause I got the impact, man. It ain't nothing to take it off, cause I'm gonna get it fixed. I already talked to my boy CJ over at One Stop Wheels and Tires. So y'all gonna be seeing him in a video soon. Another video, I should say. We already did one. That's who I'm gonna get my wheels from too. My real wheels, as y'all call it. Some wheels I like. So, but I'm gonna get this on. Then I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, I'm checking in. So I forgot I need to show y'all this. Cause I just see I gotta do this side. This right here, on the hill gotta be rolled. Cause I got a spot it wanna touch right here, and I already know when the suspension, you know, you go to the suspension go to working, it gonna cut the tire. That's what it gonna do. Cause a big slit in the tire. I already rolled the other side. I just did it off camera. Cause I noticed it when I was doing the other side, the driver's side back, and I noticed it, so I went ahead and did it. But I gotta do this one. But this one ain't hitting it bad at that side. Some of it been rolled a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and roll this. Cause this car okay, I mean, there ain't no chrome on it no way, so it's cool. Really, if I had the right tool, I would cut it out. I'll just cut that lip out right there. But I'm just gonna roll it up, and then that's gonna get it. Then y'all see the look. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, it's on. It's on, boy. Hey, Dolo clean, man. I'm telling you, I like this wheel better on Dolo. I don't know why, but I do. Dolo too clean, boy. That's the look. That's the look. Y'all see we got plenty of front turning room. I mean, we good right there. I mean, I ain't even nothing to look at up there. The back with a little thing, but like I said, these wheels right here, they got different back space, cause they don't hit the frame. When 28s he was hitting the frame, and they both 10-inch wheels, 10-inch wide. Like I said, I had to roll it. I'm gonna do better. I mean, it's just too hot, man. I got them on. I don't feel like doing that. Cause if I take the wheel off and do it, then you can get it all the way right, which I do at another date. Another time, I take the wheel back off, then I can really hit it. I just jacked it up, cause you know my suspension is so low, so it separates a lot. Then I was hitting it just a little bit, just to roll it. But I take the wheel off, I can really hit it and roll it. But shoot, we gonna be all right. The body ain't sitting on the tire no more. We tucking. Shoot, we in there. We in there on the 6s. So yeah, man. Finna fire this thing up. Alright, so got it all moved back. Took the hood off so I can take the battery loose and stuff. I'm probably ain't gonna take it loose. It's alright. I don't know, I just be paranoid. But got the carb thing back on. I need to go get me an air cleaner, man. Now I'm gonna take the battery loose, cause that wire right there hot. So we're gonna take the battery loose, get wifey to help me put the hood back on. And yeah. So we got Dolo mounted up. I ain't getting all my accelerator though, man. I mean, I gotta fix that. That cable too long, so I'm gonna have to fix that. I ain't getting all my gas. I can't even really feel what the car doing. So come on out here, woman. Look, she trying to hide. So we got it mounted up though. We got it mounted up. Y'all see it one last look. That thing look good. I moved it around a little bit just to make sure it wasn't cutting. It ain't cut the tire, none of that. So we good to go, man. We mounted up, sitting like a temp. Look good. So we go to the muffler shop. And we come from the muffler shop. We going to the Joe Buddy Racing. My boy Alec gonna come over there, get my interiors situated, carpet all down and all that good stuff, so I can put the shifter down. Then I can really drive. While it's over there, I get on to check everything over. And probably throw the accelerator cable in there and all that. Then Rick gonna come back over and we gonna tighten all this up too before all of that. So yeah, that's it, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. We rolling, moving right along. I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.